Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious marinara sauce at home with ease. We'll start by gathering our simple, fresh ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe, red tomatoes, a few cloves of garlic, and some fresh basil. Don't forget the essentials like good quality olive oil, dried oregano, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. These basic components are the foundation for a truly flavorful and authentic homemade sauce that everyone will love. Now that we have our ingredients, let's get them prepped. First, wash and core your tomatoes, then make a small X incision on the bottom of each. This simple step makes peeling much easier. Briefly blanch the tomatoes in boiling water for about 30 seconds, then immediately plunge them into an ice bath to stop the cooking. This thermal shock helps the skin slip right off. Finally, peel and finely chop 3 to 4 cloves of garlic to release their wonderful aroma. With our ingredients prepped, it's time to start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of good olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your finely chopped garlic and sauté it gently for about 1 minute until it's fragrant, being careful not to let it brown. Next, add the peeled and crushed tomatoes, along with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Stir in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and a 1/4 cup of fresh basil leaves for that classic Italian flavor. Now for the magic. Let your marinara sauce simmer gently for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Stir it occasionally, using the back of your spoon to break down any larger tomato pieces. Before serving, taste the sauce and adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more salt or pepper. This rich, homemade marinara is perfect served warm over your favorite pasta or as a delicious dipping sauce for breadsticks. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.